Imagine boarding a train, but this journey is unlike any other. A journey beyond the horizon, to a place we all wonder about. The questions linger in our hearts, about where they've gone, about heaven, about God, and the loved ones who have crossed over. In Train Ride Through Heaven, author Davida Coleman invites you to imagine a passage to the ultimate destination. A chance to meet ancestors, loved ones, and the Creator in a place of peace and endless love, where every unanswered question finds its voice, where every longing heart finds solace, where you can speak with them one last time or for the first time, truly understanding. Are you ready to take the ride? Step aboard Train Ride Through Heaven, a train ride not through space, but through the deepest longings of your spirit. Explore the profound questions about heaven, God, and the sacred resting place of our ancestors. Get your ticket to a journey beyond imagination. Train Ride Through Heaven is available now. Step aboard today.